One of the amazing features of the flip valve mobile scanner is that you could scan a large image like this right on the frame, even with the frame around it. The way you do that is you start up in one corner, you would turn on your scanner and make a scan, and then it's important that as you move down the image that you overlap at least 1 inch. So pay attention to where the bottom of your last scan, and then make sure that the next scan that you're overlapping by 1 inch. We put these little guidelines on here to help you to do that spacing and alignment. So then you would go down the image, again just overlapping 1 inch. Now you need to do the same thing as you go across the image. You pay attention to where the scan is, make sure as you go over you have at least 1 inch, and then you'll continue on down the image. This one will probably take 4 scans across, so I would do the same thing here, and you can see we can do a very large image using this process. Now here's one situation you get into where you may come to the edge, and because of the frame you can't get all of the image. So if that's important to you, then one trick you have is you can turn the scanner over 180 degrees, making sure you still have your 1 inch overlap, and then you can do the same overlap and going down the image, and you can easily stitch them all together.